Hey, what's up? This is Joeybonezz. I'm at my brother Tommy's house today, and this is my new competition. It's a funny dog trick, or animal trick. Any pet that has a cool trick. And this is Tommy's dog Boo. This is a cool trick. I'm gonna call this the bouncer dog. Give him the what, boo? Give him the what?